going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com. In this app that I'm about to show you, you can get paid to scan barcodes, get paid to buy different things, get paid to watch videos, lots of different things you could do in this app. So I'm going to show you kind of a tutorial on what I'm doing to make money with it. So you'll see here, you see this video section they have. You can watch a video and earn 1 point or 1 kick, they call it. So I'm going to show you. Basically, just scroll down, you hit the play button, and it'll play for like 30 seconds. I'm kind of going to fast forward it, but basically an ad is playing, and then once it's done, you'll be credited. You see at the top, I have 1,355 points. So after this video is done, now I have 1,356, and my goal is to get PayPal reward. I'm going to show you about that later. So you can go in different stores. I'm going to show you Walmart. This is just one store of many that you can get paid to walk in. You can get paid to scan. You can get paid for receipts, stuff like that. So 10 points just to walk in. They got points for scanning and receipts. So you kind of just scroll down here and different things you can do. So for instance, this product right here, if I scan it, I get 30 points. If I buy it, I get 1,200 kicks. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, all of these different items that you can look at, you don't have to buy them. All you gotta do is scan it just to get points. So this one right here, just for free to scan 20 kicks. But if you happen to buy it, you can get more points for it. But there's no obligation to buy it. So another one, I'm just continuing to show you like all these different, you know, items that you can do. Like it's plenty of different stores you can choose from, plenty of different items. So you can just basically just walk around the store looking for these items, scanning it and getting points. Very simple, very easy. Look, just 50 points just for scanning this drink. You know what I'm saying? So like that's how easy it is. You'll be able to cash out very fast on this app. It doesn't take long at all. So that's just how it works. And see here, they have all of these different stores you can choose from. It'll show you the amount of points you can get for scanning in there, and it'll show you the amount of points you can get if you actually buy these items and, you know, take a picture of your receipt and stuff like that. So, I mean, that's why I really love this app, just because of, you know, the variety of different ways. So when it comes to cashing out, they have lots of different ways. You can set a goal. My goal is with PayPal, but I'm going to show you other ways. They have a minimum of $2 to cash out. All you need is 500 kicks to do that. And you can get a Target gift card with that. Scrolling down more, they got Walmart gift cards. I mean, they got something for everybody on here. I already showed you PayPal, but they got other different options that you can choose from on here. I have been paid by them multiple times before. I usually get PayPal, and it's a minimum of $10 if you want to get PayPal. But like I said, they have other options that you can choose from. You know, these are all of them down here. Just scrolling down, showing you all the different items. But it's a minimum of $2 to cash out. I actually want to get the Walmart gift card, so it's $5, 1,250 kicks. So I'm going to redeem the kick because I have enough points for that. I'm going to click yes right here. And then basically I'll get my money. And it says just wait a few minutes for it to go to my reward section, so I can actually go see it when I click on that. So I'm not going to go to that. And you see right there, $5 Walmart gift card, but that's not actually the gift card, so I can't really use that. That's not really giving me anything. So I'm going to actually go back out and see if I can look at that. Let me see, go back to the home. Look, let me go to, where is it? My rewards. It's probably there. So I click on that, and right there, Walmart gift card. So I click on it, and there you go. They give me a card number, and they give me a pin, and I got the barcode to scan. So not only do you get paid to, you know, do these different things, but you're getting paid instantly. They're going to send you the gift card right then and there. You don't have to wait at all. It's the same thing with PayPal. Like whatever you choose, whatever option you choose to get paid from, you get paid instantly. And so I love when, you know, apps pay you instantly like that, just because you don't have to wait. You get your money, and it encourages you to use it over and over because, you know, you're getting your money fast. So that's just, you know, what I do to make money on this app. You know, it's very easy. Scanning barcodes. If you buy them, you get more points, but you don't have to. Completely free to use, completely free to make money with. So I'll leave the link to download this on your phone. It is completely free. You can use your iPhone or Android, whatever it is, make money with it. So get started with the link in the description below. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.